So in my opinion, one of the best things about this particular unit, unit number 9, is that the formulas are mostly all given to you. So if you are able to figure out what the problem's talking about and pick out the right formula, you just have to plug the information into the formula and then just use the calculator and make sure you answer the question and you're done. So this is a really good unit to easily be really good at. So there's a couple of things we got to make sure that we do. Number one, before we start any of these problems, we're going to look at all the dimensions, what it asks for the answer to be, and we're going to make sure that all the units are the same. If they're not, we have to convert them in the beginning. If we do not convert them in the beginning, it's going to cause an incredible problem because converting them at the end is a much more complicated process than we think it is. If it's 12 inches in 1 foot and we have to convert inches to feet and we know how to do that, if we go through the whole problem and get an answer in inches to the 3rd power and we try to convert that the same way we do inches, it won't work. So the big thing, number 1 rule, convert the units first before you do anything else. This includes, what do they want the answer in? If the answer is supposed to be in cubic inches and you have feet, then you have to convert everything. Before you start, everything to inches. And then, if you look right here, these are the formulas you get. This prism is a box, any kind of box. So it doesn't have to be a rectangular box, it could be a triangular box, any kind of box. And then the big thing is, remember that capital B means area of the base, whatever shape it is. If the base is a triangle, then it's going to be the area of a triangle. And then the last thing I'll say in this little video here, there's going to be a couple more if you scroll down before you start, is that the base of a shape, there must be 2. They must be identical. And they have to be parallel. So if I'm trying to figure that out, which one the base is, that's what I want to do. Some of these shapes, there's going to be able to be multiple different things that we call the base. It doesn't have to mean bottom. And that's going to be important with some of the different shapes. So as you work your way through the problems down here and you talk about any of the prisms, make sure you're paying attention to what I'm talking about when I'm trying to figure out what the base is, because it makes a huge difference in a lot of the shapes.